Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos better. We begin by focusing on the heart of any great taco, the filling. Select premium proteins like well-seasoned ground beef or tender shredded chicken. Marinate your chosen protein for at least 30 minutes to infuse it with incredible flavor. Slow cooking methods are key to developing rich, deep tastes. Don't forget plant-based options, such as perfectly spiced black beans or roasted vegetables, for delicious alternatives. Next, let's master the tortilla, which is crucial for an outstanding taco. Properly warm your corn or flour tortillas to achieve the perfect texture and flexibility. A light char over an open flame adds a wonderful smoky depth. Brushing them with a little oil before heating ensures a softer, more pliable bite. Always opt for fresh tortillas, ideally made the same day, to truly elevate your taco experience to its peak. Now, let's talk about elevating your tacos with creative toppings and salsas. Fresh, vibrant additions like finely diced onions and cilantro are essential. Homemade salsas, crafted with ripe tomatoes, flavorful chilies, and fresh lime juice, make a significant difference. Don't forget creamy elements such as smooth avocado slices or a rich drizzle of crema. Experimenting with pickled vegetables also adds a delightful tangy contrast to every bite. Finally, let's focus on the perfect assembly and serving of your delicious tacos. Layer your ingredients thoughtfully to ensure a balanced and flavorful bite every time. Remember not to overfill. Aim for about 2 to 3 ounces of filling per taco for optimal enjoyment. Serve your tacos immediately after assembly to maintain the ideal temperature and texture. Offering a variety of hot sauces on the side allows everyone to customize their spice level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.